Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook sea bass fish perfectly. First, select fresh sea bass fillets, ideally around 1 inch thick for even cooking. Pat them completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that desirable crispy skin. Then, season both sides generously with a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a bright squeeze of lemon juice to enhance its natural flavors. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's get to the cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place your seasoned sea bass fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes until the skin is beautifully golden and wonderfully crispy. Then, gently flip the fish and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's opaque throughout and flakes effortlessly with a fork. This method ensures a tender, flaky interior. If pan-searing isn't your preference, baking or grilling are fantastic alternatives. For baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place seasoned fillets on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes. If grilling, brush the fish with a little oil and grill over medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes per side. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety and optimal texture. Both methods yield delicious results. Once your sea bass is perfectly cooked, let it rest for just a couple of minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the fish moist and flavorful. Garnish with some fresh herbs, perhaps parsley or dill, and an extra lemon wedge for a burst of brightness. Serve immediately alongside your favorite roasted vegetables, a crisp light salad, or fluffy rice. Remember, the key to delicious sea bass is to avoid overcooking, preserving its delicate texture and exquisite taste. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.